Guaranteed income depends on your level of investment, high level of support and training, an operation team who handle all clients' communication, quality insurance, and administration. All you need to worry about is doing the clean. Also, you are investing in established company with clients provided to you. Plenty of job will be given to ensure you are given every opportunity to earn as much as you want. Excellent opportunity for new migrants. Franchisees are fully supported by our head office. Things like there is no selling, no invoicing, no cash payment. Life Maid Easy does all that for you. And also you will be paid weekly for the contracts you have performed. This is a really good opportunity to upskill and increase your experience. The new franchisee always can apply it online or visit our website or even email us or give us a call to arrange time to find out more information.